Hey, everybody. Today we're going to talk about boats and different kinds of boats. And the first boat that we're going to talk about is a rowboat. In a rowboat, people sit down inside of the boat and they have these long sticks that help them move called oars. So I thought we would do a story called Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And you guys, I think, probably know this song. You've heard Miss Heather sing it a few times. So sing along if you would like to. Row, Row, Row Your Boat by Jane Cabrera. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat slowly down the creek. If you see the swimming mice, don't forget to squeak. Eek! Row, row, row your boat, splish and splash and splatter. If you see the monkey swing, don't forget to chatter. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Row, row, row your boat past the old tree stump. If you see the elephant, don't forget to jump. Roar! Row, row, row your boat through the narrow gap. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to snap. Snap, snap. Row, row, row your boat closer to the shore. If you see a lion smile, don't forget to roar. Roar. Row, row, row your boat, watch the tiger prowl. If you see his mighty pounce, don't forget to growl. Grrr. Row, row, row your boat beneath the sky so blue. If you see the singing doves, don't forget to coo. Coo! Row, row, row your boat. Now it's getting dark. If you see a mommy dog, don't forget to bark. Woof, woof. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Wearily, 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 wearily. Snuggle up and dream.